And my dad just said, hey, you want to try Vanway? And I said, no, not really. And my husband said, yes. And then we agreed on coming back for 1 year. And 25 years later, we're still here. I am Joleen Zoller. My husband Troy and I own Vanway Trophy. We've owned it for over 26 years. We bought it from my parents, and we are second generation family owners. My parents started the business in the bowling alley up at Meadowood Lanes. And he was in a bowling league. He was in charge of getting trophies, and he got it from a company in the Northern Hills. And they engraved all of his trophies first place, all of them. And back then it's hand engraving. It's like literally each letter on 2 little stipples. And we had that same machine, but he asked them to replace it and they wouldn't. They had to charge again. And he's like, okay, you can charge me, but you'll never do business with me again. And so that's how Vanway was born. He bought a machine and put it in the bowling alley and did awards. I think COVID was a challenge for everybody. You just have to reinvent yourself, do new things, and you know, the one main comment we get every week is, I didn't know you did that. We do things that we're not just trophies. We do a bunch of things. So that was the biggest challenge, is just making it through COVID and then reinventing ourselves. Doing more stuff online, and more things for local communities to honor people that they can't have a regular graduation, they can't have regular honoring. So we did ways that we could honor them through signage or through awards that would be present in their front yard or that kind of thing. So it was a different way of looking at honoring people. This business is super happy. It honors people doing any kind of accomplishment. It actually is positive, even memorials. Even though that's a sad thing, people are honoring their loved ones, and we're happy to help them with that. I see Vanway continue to grow. Our gift line has really shown a lot of promise, and again, people don't know what we sell, and the future is showing them more of what we can offer them, and just trying to build more relationships with the businesses in the community, just trying to help them and have them help us by honoring their employees with awards from here. And so yeah, I just see a steady growth, maintaining what we're doing. Customer service is #1 with us, and trying to do fast turnaround and just really great work. We really pride ourselves on excellent work. We have a little slogan in the back saying, if you're not proud of it, don't put it out. So that's something that we live by.